Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how to capture picture using Google Keep and attach to a note. So to start, I have my mobile phone. This is my mobile phone. So to use Google Keep mobile app to install on my phone, first I need to install Google Keep from Play Store. After installation, I click on Google Keep icon on my phone. Then I log in with my email and password. This is my Google Keep portal on my phone. So to capture picture and attach to a note, you click on is the notes. To attach picture, you click on add picture icon, then click on take photos. Or you can click on the plus icon, then give the note a title. After that, you click on plus icon, then you click on take photos. Use your phone camera to capture photo and attach to a note on your Google Keep app installed on your mobile phone. This is the picture that I want to attach to my note. So using my camera, I click on capture the photo, then I attach to the note. Or I can refresh if picture that I took not good. I can take another picture by clicking on capture photo. Or you can set the time that you want the camera to capture the photo. You can set it 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or you can turn it off. I'll set it to 3 seconds. After that, I click on capture photo. This will capture the photo. And after that, I click on correct time to save the photo onto my Google Keep. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on this post, in the description below, click on link to the post to find more info on how to use Google Keep to capture picture on your Google Keep mobile phone to attach to a document. Again, subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.